Welcome to our compact laundry showdown. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison between the COMFEE's portable washer and the Euhomy dryer. Both of these appliances are designed for those with limited space, but they offer different functionalities and features. Let's find out which one suits your laundry needs better. The COMFEE's portable washer is a fully automatic washing machine with 6 wash programs, making it versatile for different laundry needs. In contrast, the Euhomy compact dryer features 4 drying modes, allowing users to choose the best setting for their clothes. While the washer focuses on cleaning, the dryer emphasizes drying efficiency, showcasing their distinct functionalities. When it comes to capacity, the Euhomy dryer holds more at 2.65 cubic feet compared to the COMFEE washer's 1.6 cubic feet. This means you can dry more clothes in one go with the Euhomy, making it a better option for larger loads. However, the COMFEE is designed for smaller spaces, making it ideal for apartments and RVs. The installation requirements differ significantly between these two products. The COMFEE's washer requires water hookups, which may involve additional setup. On the other hand, the Euhomy dryer requires venting, although some users have found success without external venting. Understanding these requirements is crucial for potential buyers. In conclusion, both the COMFEE's portable washer and the Euhomy compact dryer have their strengths and weaknesses. The best choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you need a compact washer, the COMFEE's is an excellent option. However, if you're looking for a reliable dryer, the Euhomy is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.